Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel with another great video. So today in this video I'm talking about a new website where you can make money. So let's get started. So friend, you need to enter your mobile number, enter your telegram number, enter your WhatsApp number, and then you have to apply your password, enter your confirm password. When then you add your withdrawal password and attach this verification code, tap on submit button and your account will be created. I have already an account, so let's get to homepage of this website. So my dear friends, you can see that our sign up is successfully done. After completing a sign up interface show like this, you can see that here we have recharge and withdrawal option. I will explain next in the video how you can deposit money and get withdrawal from this website. If I click to share option, here you can see that invite your friend or contacts and earn rewards. Here you have your own link. You copy this link and share it on different social media platforms. When people join through your link, you are going to make some decent amount of money. So different, I come back and here you can see that the team of this website, and if I click on the apps, you can see that. So friend, you can go and check the app of this website and you can also sign out. And here we have their wallet account and the promotion account. Join to be a Tron millionaire. Use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most extra income. You can also check in the details. If I click on details, so you can see that cloud mining is working plus 5%. Experience gold is 10,000 TRX. Maturity, as you can see, the trading income. You can also view all. If I click on view all, you can see that each and everything will show up related about our trading list when we trade on this website, when we get our commissions, when we get our referral bonuses. Like each and every kind of information will show up here when you start trading on this website. And friend, here we have the platform data display of this website, accumulated profit and memberships in millions. About us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Whether it is quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. So global partner of this website are CoinDCS, Genesis Mining, Wazirix, Binance, CoinMint, Bitmain. This website is working with all of them, and this is the proof of this website is so reliable, legible and trustworthy. If I click to trade option, so friend, here you can see that cloud mining is working as I told you in the start of video that how you can trade on this website. If I click to invest option, so friend, you can see that the product list of this website, you can see that on different recycle days, on different purchase limit, on different interest rates. So friend, you can invest any of these products and make a lot of money in the future. If I click to recharge option, and if I click to investment list, here you can see that. So we currently no invest in any product, that's why it's not showing up here. If I click to share option, so friend, as I told you in the start of video about the referral program, that how you can join the referral community and make some stable income at home. People are using the same simple strategy and making money online every single day and cashing out their money immediately. So friend, start making some potential earning and stable income at home. If I click to mine option, here you can see that my total balance and TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate your account and open withdrawal functions, application services, funding account, team report, account record, commission record, transfer to basic, VIP, my account, share notifications, online service app, password, white paper and logout. So different. This was the basic information about this website. Now I'm going to show you how you can recharge money on this website. Click to recharge option, choose basic account, and you can see that please do not deposit TRX. It take about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so friend, we need to deposit so friend, you need to copy this link. After successfully copying that, you will come to our trust wallet and then just simply tap on the send option, paste the address over here which we was copied, choose the amount of TRX which you're gonna add, then just tap on the continue button. So dear friends, it take a while transferring to our website, so stay tuned. So dear friends, you can see that we successfully recharge our money into the website. As I was recharge 90 RX into the website, here you can see that we successfully recharge our money. So friend, this was the process of deposit. Basically, after doing withdrawal, I'm going to introduce you their team. So if I click on the team, you can see that the team is divided into 3 levels: total the promotion commission, total recharge, total number of withdrawals and total number of teams. So friend, you can make money on different level 1, level 2 and level 3. So friend, this was the introduction of the team. Now I'm going to show you how you can get withdrawal money on this website. So click to withdrawal option, and you can see that first of all you need to bind the address of, so I fill that, enter your TRX address, enter your withdrawal password. So dear friends, you can see that I bind the withdrawal address successfully, and now I'm going to choose the amount of TRX which is 0.450. okay, and enter your security password. Make sure you fill all of this instruction, then you just tap on submit button. Incorrect amounts. So friend, then I just tap on submit. Here you can see that. So wait for a while. So dear friends, the daily withdrawal limit is just like that. You just need to tap on submit button and our money will be arrived after some time into our trust wallet. So dear friends, you don't worry about it, and it will be arrived after a few moments. And so friend, I go to my trust wallet and you can see that I refresh the homepage of trust wallet, but dear friends, there is an issue of network, but it will be arrived in a few moments. So I will provide you the link of this website, and I will meet you in the next with another great video. So for today, Allah Hafiz, stay tuned.